Hi, welcome to my clinic. I'm Dr. Laurence Adriaens and I'm so excited today because I will be unboxing together with you the new Straumann SIRIOS X3. Come in, let's take a look. I really love this clean, modern design. Honestly, the handpiece feels light and slim and it fits nicely into my hand. I'm also happy to see the two scan buttons, one in the front, one in the back, so I can scan from any position. But I hear there's even a twist. You can access the action menu through the scan button and use the mode button here to move through the menu and select the features you want to use. I can't wait to test this out. You can also use the mode button here so you can move through the workflows directly from the handpiece. And one more surprise. Straumann SIRIOS X3 has a built-in battery, meaning I don't need to worry about where my spare batteries are or if they've been charged. Now it's as simple as popping the handpiece into the charging station. Once it has power, I'll be able to check the battery status here and the connection status here. There are also 4 sleeves that are optimized so one size fits all. I like that they have the smooth round edge and it seems really comfortable to use in a patient's mouth. It looks like this is the cable for the charging station. There's also a user guide here and the wireless adapter for the connection of the intraoral scanner with the computer. I don't know about you, but I'm so ready to see what this can do.